step-by-step guide on how to install an RV bra. Make sure you have a dry rag, masking tape, screwdriver, silicone, 1/8 drill bit, and a power drill available. The first step is to make sure that you wipe everything down. See all these chips in the paint? If this motorhome had an RV bra on it, this wouldn't have happened. Check if you have all the hardware. The hardware comes with twist locks and stainless screws. Sometimes they come with snaps if needed. We recommend putting the RV bra laid out on a piece of cloth on the floor to help get the wrinkles out. Grab the masking tape and tear multiple pieces. Put the masking tape up on the windshield like this. It will help you to hold the RV bra while you are installing it. Use as many pieces of masking tape as you need. Now, let's get the RV bra up off the floor and put it against the motorhome. This particular one comes with Velcro attached. The Velcro goes around the wipers. Bring the wiper blades down. Fasten the Velcro. That will help you to hold it in place. Line up the cutouts. You can put your wiper blades back in place, out of your way. Now that you have it in place with Velcro, center it right above where the paint finishes, right below the windshield gasket. Now use the masking tape to hold it in place. We're also going to use our masking tape after we pull and make sure everything lines on the cutouts. Readjust it if needed. Go to the other side and continue to line it up. Hold it in place with the masking tape. One tip: use your body weight to push it instead of pulling it. So now that everything lines up, we will go to the bottom and stretch. Starting with the wrinkles from the center. The metal bendable straps will hold it in place. All of the RV bras come with eyelets. Sometimes they come with push snaps. Here is a very good trick on how to mark where you are going to drill. Put a piece of masking tape on the sections you will be drilling. Use a black marker to paint on the back of the snap. and press it on the masking tape to mark your location for the fastener. This is where you would drill, right on the center of the mark. Now we're going to mark where to put the twist locks. Mark in the center of the eyelet. In this section, it has black paint. So we will need to use another ink marker other than black. The next step is that we're going to mark on one twist lock to use as a guide on where we are going to drill. Grab one of the twist locks and mark it in the center. Now we are ready for the next step. Previously, we marked the center of the eyelet. We are now going to use the markings on the twist lock as a guide to finding the center. Mark the location of the 2 holes that we need to drill. Only drill the 2 on the outer side. They all should look like this. The next step is we are going to drill, using a 1/8 of an inch drill bit. Always use the slow setting on the drill set and/or in drill mode. We recommend using gloves for better grip. Here is where we previously marked the location for the snaps. Time to drill. Now you can remove the masking tape. Once the holes are made, it will no longer be needed. Now we're going to drill where the twist locks marks are, and do the same thing all around. Make sure you drill on the 2 outside marks. Not on the center mark. The next step after you drill out all the holes, wipe off all the dust from drilling. Apply silicone in every hole that was drilled. For 3 main reasons. 1, to prevent a water leak. 2, to prevent an air leak. And 3, to make the fastener stronger once it's dry. Now let's put all the hardware in separate groups. That's going to make it a little easier to install. We recommend that you install these fasteners by hand, by using a small screwdriver instead of a power drill. Try not to over-tight them. Now go ahead and put every twist lock in by hand. Put them in place, but don't tighten them just yet. Once they are all in place, then go ahead and use the drill to tighten them. Be careful not to over-tighten using the drill. Make sure everything is clean and dusted out. The final step is to install the RV bra. Always start in the center. Fasten the Velcro. Start from the top and work your way down evenly on each side. The bendable metal straps can adjust to tighten if needed. Simply bend it and it will stay. Congratulations on installing your new RV bra. Thanks for watching.